A very good day to everyone seeing this video. Myself Bylin, and for now let's get into the presentation of the demo video shown for the development of ADK. And this is what the problem statement which we covered for this hackathon. The software the agent which we developed is known as the AegisAI. It's nothing but the conversational system built for if you want to seek some doctors. It is very useful, to be honest, because it is built based on the problem statement which I face personally in our life, like connecting a doctor and meeting him by going through the queue and sharing the things which we feel which may be little personal for us and so on. And AegisAI consists of many sort of features and agents which gives it a vast way of conducting things in a very organized manner. And this is the architectural diagram which we have for the AegisAI. First, the user interface, which is provided by the ADK's web UI. Initially, you are able to see this is the UI given by the ADK, and which is we have hosted this using the Cloud Run, which made it possible to host this whole system through the online manner. And finally, the ADK's core engine. These are the agents which we built, which gives us the very useful manner to conduct all these in a very particular manner, in a very good manner as well. And mainly this is built for the use cases like quick medical advices. Of course, this is an AI software which makes us not to totally rely on it, but it gives us the immediate attention which could be seek from the AI assistant in case of any emergency. And so it can also provide us the perfect counseling if in case needed, and the diet and nutrition, fitness guidance, and so on and so on. A perfect medical assistant which you can have for your personal life. And let me show the source code for now. This is the source code which we had. This is the main model which is created, and these are the sub agents which we created. We have these many agents created for the particular purpose. And let me just go to the direct. This is the demonstration which I am going to show now, and let's start with the greeting now. Yes, we named it the AegisAI, and here we can see the invocation which is done, and basically it can able to read documents and perform analysis over it. Now let me say like yeah, it asks for the scan, which can be an X-ray, MRI, or CT. And let me just upload it now. And I have uploaded the scan. I'm just telling it how it is done so that it would be easy for it to get through it. Yeah, you can see what happened here. Gregory nodal assess, and it is perfectly correct because this is the medical report of my cousin, and which made me to confirm things that the correct diagnosis has been given. And if you ask me, is this the only thing which it can do? Of course not. It can do many things as well. Let me show the other things which can be done by using the AegisAI. I'm asking for a diet plan. Is it possible for the AI agent to give this? Of course yes, because I created an agent for recommending the diet as well. It just asks me the basic steps which has to be known, and already it had the form as well, but we can give it directly so that in an explicit manner. And of course the person is a non-vegetarian. And he's not really active. and uses these data for giving me the perfect plan, which is done through the another agent, that is the diet and nutrition agent. You can see here the proper diet plan has been given, like the amount of carbohydrate, protein, fat, and even fiber, vitamins, minerals, everything has been given in a good manner. And if I need more data about it, I can even ask it, and it will be giving me more information about it. And there are many agents which are being tied up with each other so that it gives a perfect assistance in case of need. You can see here, this is the exact calories has been mentioned here with grams and quantities and so on, which would be perfectly needed for a person who might have to go to a doctor and ask whether I should eat this or that and so on and so on. And okay, I mentioned that he is a diabetic, so I just want him to do some exercises. So let me just ask the agent. This is another agent. Like this is another agent which gives me the gym planning and so on. So it just gives me the every training which can be done. Okay, then these are some of the activities which can be done through this agent. Now let us delete this session and create another one. And I see this as a better one, and I see this functionality as a very critical one because it can give medical counseling, not only medical counseling but psychological counseling as well. It can help people who are in addiction, like let me say a drug addiction or smoking addiction or pornographic addiction, whatever it is, because today many are facing in such kind of addiction and are not able to get out of it, right? So I will just start with a greeting. Childhood. Now let me see what it does. It is again transferring to another agent. Now you can see here how long it has been done, and it's asking me like what all the it wants to gather some data about me so that it can give me the perfect thing of handling me in a better way, right? So I'll just say of 19, and this leads me to do this, and impacts my personal life, and I tried to stop, but mentally I get sick. Let me see how it responds for it. And yes, it gives me the perfect way to redirect myself into the better way by doing some exercises and having some cravings, what can be done at that time, and so on. This is how this agent works for handling things in a very perfect way. And you can see the source code again. This has the counseling, diagnosis, nutrition, fitness coach, Google search, and location and medical image analysis. We performed all these, and let me just show another one. Here, if you just click this, you can just look at the graph, like how it is being called. This is the total graph, and we are being called for the addiction support agent, the nutrition, Google search, and these all we have been used, and this is how this agent works. And this is being so friendly. Now let me say, I'll just delete this session once again. We just start to have a very friendly conversation. Is it possible to have? Of course yes. Which makes me to feel depressed. something which we will not be able to share with others, because this is some kind of personal for everyone, right? So let me see if it gives some good words for me. Yeah, including without failure, and yes, see, it gives the very good way of dealing with things, which is very nice. This is done to the Gemini 2.0, of course, and this is how the project, the AegisAI, works to take care of people in a very good way and redirect them in a perfect way. The biggest advantage of this project is at not all times you'll be able to face the doctor, or maybe not having the time to face the doctor, or maybe the thing may be so serious so that it might be so personal for you to see a doctor and consult with him. At that time, you can use this as a temporary solution to get rid of things, and finally, but this is an AI agent. You can't be able to rely 100% over this. You have to go and seek for the medical attention in person, but this gives a first aid kind of therapy for the person who are in need of things, to share things, to know things in a medical terms, and to get some second opinion. They can use this. So thank you all. In case of any doubt, you can also contact me. Thank you all.